Welcome back to the Cozy Cottage Homestead. This is part of having rabbits and raising rabbits, is the maintenance. It's spring. The kids have gone to, I guess you want to say, freezer camp. And now the parents are hanging out in the kids' pens while we pressure washer it out. As with anything, there comes maintenance. Some of the cages needed a few little repairs, so those have been made. Parents are over here hanging out in the kids' pens, which has already been washed out and cleaned. We have one little repair to make back there in the corner. All the tarps have been rolled up for the spring. Winter's over. Part of raising rabbits is keeping their huts and their bunny barns really clean so that there's no illnesses or diseases sets in with your rabbits. We have been very blessed keeping up with the maintenance and cleaning out the bunny barn. This isn't always the funnest part of the job, but it's necessary. Thanks for joining me today at the Cozy Cottage Homestead. Farewell, Homestead family, friends, and neighbors.